excited to eat your food in the special lounge room?
Oh my gosh! Oh gosh! Look! Oh gosh!
So I really wanted to be mic'd up for this. Is it straight?
Check it out, so you win. Big guts.
Yeah, cute. Yay! Family mukbang! Woohoo! I'm starving, Marvin. Hey, can you move over, doll?
No, I'm sitting here. Sorry, babe. My apologies. But I'm sitting here, okay, Bear?
Okay, Bear
Come
can
here.
sit next to you with his muffins on the couch.
Look at these big guts. Look at these big guts.
Here, Bear.
Hot.
Yeah, hot.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Don't you dare eat the chips. Don't you dare. You said, no, you said, I don't want to eat McDonald's.
The abuse.
Oh, whatever.
It's the
I
abuse for me.
What's that? Is that your spoon? Because it's dirty.
Yeah, it's mine.
Perfect. Bearsy, come here.
Alright, you sit on that side.
No, I'm comfortable here. You just told me you weren't sitting here.
So what, are we sitting on the ground?
Well, I am.
Oh gosh.
So, you sit up on the couch, darling.
No.
Because we won't be able to
Please.
see you in the video. Okay.
Oh gosh. Bear.
Can you pass
Bear,
that?
you gonna eat? Dinner? Look, dinner.
Yum. So, Lockie and I got Thai
Bear.
and the kids got Maccas.
But there's no food on the couch.
Yum.
And gas.
Yeah, but you're allowed because of this. It's over.
No sauce on the couch though.
What?
What the heck? Oh gosh.
I did a fart.
So, pardon me. I actually low-key don't know why people love mukbangs because I can barely talk when I'm stuffing my face. That's good. Good choice, babe, for the try.
What is that? Are you alright, mate?
They're psycho. Okay.
No, come on. Let's not be silly. You're big and strong. You don't need to do that.
Okay. First question. Forrest, would you like a brother or a sister? Another.
Brother.
You want another brother or another sister?
You got
Okay.
You wouldn't like another. You would want a brother or a sister for Resto? What is that? Tofu.
two girls and two brothers.
Mummy, should Mummy have another baby?
For sure.
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
What
Yeah.
would you want, Forrest?
A brother or a sister?
A brother and a sister.
But you've already got a brother. Would you want another
Wow,
brother or
that's
would
a
you want
lot.
a sister?
Poor mum.
A sister.
Cute.
You want a sister?
Yeah.
Cute, baby.
Sister.
So I said, when's baby number 3?
Daddy.
From noodles?
Yeah.
Is it spicy?
No.
Yum.
No. Daddy would like it.
Bear, stop it. Here.
Have that, Bear.
How much did the Upper Coomera house sell for? Someone just asked. I can't remember. Wasn't it like $6.40?
607.
I got this for a second.
It seems so cheap now, doesn't it? That is so cheap.
Don't choke him, sweetie.
Hey, Bear.
No, upstairs.
Bear just does not eat, does
Where
he?
did those stains come from on that curtain?
I don't know.
That is-
Okay. When?
I wish I had Bear.
Where are the don't. No.
That's hot.
Oh my god. When's baby number 3 coming? Where are the renovations at currently? Oh god. Guys.
They're nowhere.
Guys. Hey. Don't play near these lights. Come away from the light, Bear. Danger.
What?
This is so good. This
Did you
pad.
send your info to the broker?
Why should I have to be inconvenienced again? Because you can't do a tax return. You haven't
This has
done
got
it.
nothing to do with that at all.
It does.
No, it doesn't. This has got something to do with going to a broker and getting them to
Yeah, because
borrow money for us.
the other
We're
people
going
can't-
to the Big Four because it's better rates with the broker. They use lower.
Listen, calm it. Calm it.
It's got nothing to do with any of my stuff, so don't get anywhere near that.
Guys! Oh, yum. Alright, so where are
Yeah, so
they?
did you get your stuff to the agent? To
Bear!
the broker?
This is cooked.
Did you get your stuff to the broker?
No, I don't know, babe.
Well, I asked you today.
Great. Thank you. Leave it on, please.
Leave it on.
Bear, stop it.
Thought it was going to be a great idea to do it with the kids. Can you put that across the couch? Let's give me a
They're literally in the most psycho mood
Look at the
today.
couch. The couch is exposed. Bear, just calm down.
Calm down, man. Thank you. Yum. Tom yum. Tom yum soup. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Right, so you're not hungry?
Oh my gosh, that's so good. What's it called?
Tom yum gar or something.
Tom yum gar.
Yeah. It's good.
So good. Just no personal space or serenity. My patience.
I haven't even touched my favourite meal of the night.
Forrest, I have a
Green curry
question.
or red curry?
I have a question for you.
It'll be
Whose
green.
farts stink the worst?
My part.
Put the light on. Bear, put the lights on.
You got stinky bum farts, don't ya?
Look what I've got, a cookie. Come sit up here. Gosh. You guys.
Cookies. Cookies. Cookies.
Okay, sit.
It doesn't matter twice.
Thank you. What's on this already? Bear?
Cookie.
Here you go.
Cookie.
Yum, these cookies are my favourite. Yeah, same. I wish I wasn't full. I hardly ate anything.
That is the spiciest green curry I think I've ever had. Winnie!
Winnie, down. Yeah, it was good. Alright, let's get these questions answered. We've answered none. Okay, is Forrest at school next year?
We're trying to get him in. He didn't get into Emmanuel.
Which is like honestly heartbreaking.
Disappointing, yeah.
So when people tell you, yo, you need to put your baby's name down like the day after you have them, they're not joking.
That doesn't mean crap.
It does.
It doesn't mean, I don't think it matters how long they've been in it for. They obviously score your
I got a question.
What?
and there's 8 spots.
Mm.
They have a system and they score each applicant to get into the school. There'd be a criteria that the families have to meet for them to be
Like,
enrolled
okay,
in
for
that school.
example, like, did the parents graduate?
Stuff like that, or what do the parents do? See, I started to think maybe they've searched you on the internet. That's what went through my head.
No, that's stupid.
Well, you never know. Because they don't want bad...
I don't get bad publicity. Yeah? Is that another boil?
Can I squeeze it?
No, you're not meant to squeeze them.
Well, we need to put a band-aid over it so it doesn't touch anything because they're super infectious.
Oh my god, the cookie on the couch. Why are you guys sitting there?
Not a boil.
Why don't you sit here?
Not a boil.
Long story short, the father didn't get into a manual, which we were absolutely devastated about.
Well, when did we put his name down?
2 years ago.
Yeah, only 2 years ago. Other people have
I'm
been...
saying, listen to me please for a second. It does not matter how long your name is on the list for. It's just like us putting Forrest's name down and...
Listen,
Yeah, I'll show you what a boil looks like.
sit here. Sit down, Bear.
God, you guys are grublets. You think it's hilarious, don't you? Huh? It's absolutely hilarious.
Don't say that. What is that actually from? Google.
It's junk food.
Is it really junk food?
It could be from some at kindy too.
It's from a
Because they're
car.
super contagious.
It's from a car.
Oh my god, that is so...
It's alright, he's fine, it's all good. It's not the end of the earth, it's a...
Full on though, he just had one here.
Where's the
Okay,
peanut butter sauce?
here, where's my phone? So yeah, Foresto is supposed to be starting school next year, but who knows?
We're gonna find another school to go into.
I'm going to Australia school.
How do you know where Australia is?
I don't know.
You live in Australia, don't
You got a shiny.
you? You live in Australia?
We're getting now.
So you liked the girl named Olive.
Wow, babe, talk about jumping back to an old
I
question.
named Olive.
Well, I never answered the question. What's my worst habit? Okay, Foresto's worst habit is coming into mummy and daddy's bed and
Yeah.
sleeping across rather than, horizontal rather than vertical.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you take up all the room, Forrest. So, and then you kick me in the head, or you'll go like this with your arm and hit me in the middle of the night. What's Bear's worst habit? I think Bear's worst habit
Throwing.
is constantly wanting the window down when we're driving and screaming, "Down! Daddy, down! Down!"
Or baby shark.
Yeah.
Baby shark?
Yeah. And my word.
Baby
I got
shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark.
Mommy shark do do
Ready?
do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do.
Father.
Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do.
My worst thing.
Worst thing? Oh,
Oh yeah, bad habit.
Remember Dad?
Oh my god.
I got a word.
Too chaotic.
I
Thank you,
got
Bear.
a word thing.
Bear, 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 Bear,
He's
Bear,
gonna turn the
Bear.
lights off.
Bear, where are you going?
Turn it off.
No. It's too
My
much.
worst thing.
After
Alright, come down here and do it. With the pencil?
Yep.
Holy dolly, who would know? Who would have thought that you can't even film a video with small children?
I think it's pretty obvious.
That's mother.
It's just crazy what you can't do.
Okay.
So children, you have left the building, that's fine. Let's answer a few more questions and then we can all wrap it up and get to bed. and relax because it's
Come on,
a Friday night. Okay, Piggy. What does Lockie think about posting your bum all the time?
Oh, to be honest, I'm just...
I don't even post my bum. Like, how would you
You
go if
don't
I started
even
an
post
OnlyFans
your
and
bum.
how would you go if I started an OnlyFans and I was posting like lingerie photos every day?
You wouldn't be. I'd say you'd be going.
Pardon?
You wouldn't be. That's how you'd be going.
Yeah, righto.
How do I feel about it?
I don't even
Can I
post.
answer the question? Because the question was asked...
Can I just say something? I literally
The
have
question-
not. No, I have not posted that much prerogative things for so long. Like I post my training videos. I don't like post sexual photos on Instagram. I feel like my Instagram is really family orientated. Anyway, okay. What do you think?
Can I answer the question that was directed at me?
Sure.
I'm used to it.
Is that the end of the answer?
Well, no one can suck outside.
Great. Okay.
Doesn't it?
Forest and Bear. Who do you love more, Mummy or Daddy? Aww, that's so cute. He said both of us.
Bear, who do you love more, Mum or Dad?
Mum or Dad? Mummy or Daddy, Bear?
Daddy, yeah!
He can only say Daddy. So.
Oh, I'm sorry, but his first words were Mum.
Yeah, but then he got used to saying Daddy and now he calls everyone Daddy.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Bear, can you say Forest?
He called me butter.
Yeah, he calls you brother. And he calls you Forest. Bear,
Forest.
call Forest Forest.
He normally says first to me.
Yeah. Bear, can you say hi Forest? Hi Forest.
Is that Kai first?
Hi Forest.
Kai first.
Oh, that's very good speaking. Okay. Are you starting the runners up again? Yes. We are. Lockie asked if I wanted to move into a caravan tonight. What's the caravan thing about?
Oh, I priced it up, but it's just as cheap to move out to a rental.
It's cheaper.
No, just the same price. There's no benefit in that.
Or were you thinking it'd be cheaper?
Yeah.
Got to save the dosh because I can't do OnlyFans.
No comment, Bear.
Rory's made $1,000 this week. That's good. She's got good clientele.
What is it? What's that meant to mean? So you actually speak to the people that are asking for
I don't know, babe.
I can open it.
Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? I want a kiss.
I can open it.
Someone give Daddy a kiss. Could you give me a kiss?
Yeah, tell us how you feel about the marriage thing, Bear.
What beautiful boys.
He just wants to get the renos done first, don't you, doll?
I just want to sort this house out because...
It's just not a priority making me your wife, is it?
I mean... I'm not going to comment on that.
It's just not a priority.
Well, I mean, your priorities are surgery and going over to Turkey and going to Europe
I have a passion.
and getting hair transplants. What's the passion?
I'm
To
passionate
change the way you look. Is that the passion?
I'm passionate about enhancing my natural beauty.
Well, there's nothing natural about a hair lift or...
Hair transplant is obviously surgery, but it's your own natural hair follicle. So I feel like
Yeah, but you're not enhancing your natural beauty. You're changing the way your face looks when you're getting that thing like this.
yeah, the fox eye.
The fox eye.
I'm just obsessed and really fascinated by surgeries, and I like to watch different surgeries. Anyway, it's like you having a passion with golf.
Well, golf's like probably the...
And I have a gym passion too. It's like you taking your hair stuff. It's exactly the same thing.
No, it's like me going to get a penis enlargement. That's what it's like.
I also want to have my bits chopped off too.
It's like me going to get a nose job. That's what it's like. Well, do you think if I was obsessed with getting like nose jobs, like jaw reconstructors or whatever the hell they call reconfigurations, what'd you do if I was obsessed with changing my face? Would you think that's weird?
It's very strange.
Yeah, exactly. So, like, just because Australia and the Gold Coast and everyone at the moment now is making this a thing.
What?
Surgery. Reconstructive surgery. Or whatever.
Surgeries are going to be massive anywhere, babe.
Yeah, but girls are just... Oh, anyway.
Whatever, babe. My face, my choice. Woo! I'm a hell of a lot more confident now than I ever was. I'm kind of natural.
Because of the surgeries.
I'm pretty natural. Like, I've got no filler in my lip. I've had all this dissolved.
I thought you got the stuff dissolved and then you got filler again.
Yeah, I had it re-dissolved up the top because it migrated again. So my lips are looking very natural. We've got a very natural border here. And what else? Yeah, that's the only thing. I just don't feel
What about
like...
your nose job?
Yeah, that's not natural, obviously, but I don't feel like I go overboard with filler. Like, it's not like I have cheeks out to here and I look crazy.
I just don't know why you can't just be happy and skin you've got, to be honest.
Because I'm A, a Pisces, and B, I have ADHD. Those two together are just going to be an insecure mix, really. Forrest, what's your favourite food?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah.
Nice.
Chicken?
God.
Someone said, how did you and Lockie meet?
Everyone knows.
Well, this person doesn't because they're asking.
Tinder.
Tinder! 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 Find your match and potential baby daddy.
Where's that queen?
Tinder!
Mom's gotta let it clean.
So do you. You got a lot of cleaning to do. I'm not cleaning that.
Yes,
I'm
you
a bad
are.
time.
You are.
No, I'm not.
Mate, I am not clean. You're the one that gave them
No,
the colouring in stuff.
Forrest, hey, okay, that's enough. Forrest pulled it down from on the shelf.
No
No touching, no